Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, skilla.
Yes, me there again, my people. Manners, big up and respect to each and everyone, you see? Yeah, bless up on the Sunday. So I have videos I'm going to present to you. And like how today is Sunday, I'm going to start off with this video. Alright? So, in this video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that also include the words rat and poison. You see me? I say, no people. Some words that this person said during what some people call a testimony, I consider to be dangerous. I mean, also you have people where smart and think and have good common sense. But just in case, me I go say this to each and everyone. At no point should anyone try any of these things that the person said in this video. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen and observe and tell me what I think, my people.
Is that some rat running all over the stove? Yeah. So therefore I buy some rat poison. So I throw it all over around the stove at the ground. So one morning now I wake up, so I said, okay, I'm going to make some porridge for breakfast. While I was making the porridge, go in the hall and sit down because the porridge boiling. When I returned back to the stove, I saw the rat poison in the porridge. And I was like, really? Me not dash my porridge, you know. Virgin. And I go up nearer to the stove like this. And I start call God. And so me not dash with the porridge. So me I go drink my porridge this morning. And virgin, the porridge boil. And I sweeten my porridge. And I drink my porridge. 2 days after I remember that the pies was in the porridge. So I tell the lady, say, you know, say pies when I porridge. But me pray over the porridge. And he said, but you kill me off. Me say, you're not dead. You're not dead, for if you ain't dead, you're not dead. From the same morning you drink the porridge. Praise the Lord. So brethren, we have to trust in God and believe that there's a God. Without a God, we are nothing. God bless you in Jesus' name.
Now, listen to me. Nothing is wrong, and I think it is very, very good to have faith in God, trust in God. You see me I say? But that no means to say that you should put yourself in danger and go do certain things. Once you cook food and you have some form of knowledge that anything poisonous even go near the food where you cook, don't eat that food. Throw it away. You know the deal. But people, that's dangerous. So let me know what you think about the words that the person said in that video, my people, because I'm not real. That's it away. Oh, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, my people, I want you to take a look at this fruit right here. Look at this fruit and tell me, would you really and truly eat that fruit based on how it's shaped and how it look? Just ask you, you know what I mean? Yeah, because you don't know, you have some people who are not afraid of nothing, and some people will say, oh, why that don't mean nothing, my youth, I just saw it come out and rain. But trust me, you have some people who might think so, but you have some people who might say, nah man, and what them there? And start thinking all kind of dopey spirit, demon, this, that type of thing, based on how that the fruit they look. So, may I ask you, would you eat that fruit? Leave a comment or comment in the comment section of the video to let me know what you think, my people. You can ask me as well too, I will tell you. I present a video to you right about now, right? I just have to talk while the video plays. So this video shows a damaged motor vehicle. If you look at the license plate, you can see the type of color license plate. Now, some people on social media find that video to be funny, viewers and subscribers, which is one of the reasons why I am just presenting and talking about this video. You see me? The motor vehicle was traveling a type of way that some Jamaicans might call crab walk. You see me, some people, which in my point of view, some people find it funny, but it's no joking matter still. I don't have any confirmed information as to what exactly happened, but I still I say to every motorist, just take on the time on the road and be careful. I know say accidents do happen, but sometimes some motorists just do some bad driving and drive reckless too. And here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a motor vehicle that hit another motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And yes, this motor vehicle that you can see damaged in the video is a taxi. Didn't get any confirmed information to determine if anyone had been injured or anything about any form of fatality, but this video is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle that was being driven by someone hit a motor vehicle that some people might call a type of truck. You see what I'm saying to you? And the video had been recorded in Jamaica, alright, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Watch out. Every day we talk to them. Every day we talk to them and tell them, say, oh, tap is speeding down here. And watch it. So you go down a wharf, brother. Truck world. Truck world. That's why them for top speed. Yeah man, the next one of them big rig that are right off in the behind me, man. All one of them, yo. You see the next one? I want them that are right off in the watch. The next one, man, I want them that are right off in the man.
Tell man, in the business if the man a police or whatever. See him man.
And he come right off. Which one come right off?
Now, I got information that a social media influencer within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, who some people call Kevin or Young Boss, had been shot and killed on Saturday, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, some people might also call the same person Yankee Boss, you know, and maybe there might be other types of names or name that persons might call the same person. See, so according to information that I got, it is said that the social media influencer, who some people call Kevin, was shot and killed in a parking lot that is located within the country of Trinidad and Tobago on Saturday. So, according to more information that I got, it is said that Kevin was inside of a motor vehicle when he had been attacked by gunmen who opened fire at the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. See, so it is said that he had been hit when shots had been fired at the motor vehicle that he was in, and it is said that the gunmen made the escape, viewers and subscribers. So I got the understanding that the passers-by that saw the motor vehicle that bullets had been fired at take a video footage of the scene, viewers and subscribers, and I also got the understanding that there are allegations and assumptions that have been made as to why Kevin had been shot and killed. That's what I'm saying to viewers and subscribers. So, you know, me see videos on social media where persons talk about him. And I real my people, this is really and truly a sad topic. Another sad topic. See, so a social media influencer had been shot and killed within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, and some people call him Kevin, some people call him Young Boss, some people might also call him Yankee Boss. So may I say my people, so my condolences to the friends and the families and the loved one of Kevin. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, my people, I saw two pieces of videos that have been put together and posted on social media that shows when a person pushed something that I call an electrical appliance out of a business place or a store. See me? Now, the video are those two pieces of videos that have been put together and posted on social media, have been put out there on social media with certain titles and narratives that have me thinking. Because me I wonder to myself, would somebody really and truly be so brave, so dry to go inside of a store or a business place and push something like that outside of the business place without doing certain things that should be done first? You get what me I say? Come they even want jump to no conclusion. I mean, I want to say nothing when I go say no. Even though those pieces of videos have been posted on social media with certain titles and words, I mean, I don't want to say it, but it look away. Me, I said to myself, say, would somebody really and truly go in a store and push something that big out of the store without doing certain things? What about persons who work at the business place? What about the owner for the store? Or what about who's ever in charge? What about security? So to me, that video or those pieces of videos have been posted on social media with some titles and so on that might not be accurate. Might not. And maybe be accurate as well. Maybe. But me can't help but wonder if somebody with a really so dry eye and are so brave to go inside of a store and push an electrical appliance that big out of a store before doing certain things. It had me thinking. So my people, let's point out that. May I tell you, my people, we live in a world, yes, man. I think I have left it still now. So big up and respect to each and everyone. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Have a blessed Sunday.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.